happening, people? What is happening? Is it the end of the effing world? What is happening? Where's my song? Where is my song? I love this Sakura girl. Is it called Beloved? It's flowers. Okay, no copyright. Okay, let's listen to Sakura Girl.
Is your privacy protected?
Come in, guys.
Websites can track you across the internet.
I put everything else inside the group so that everyone is ready. Take your time. We have an interesting show tonight because we are literally, guys, at the end of the world. Yeah, it's kind of like at the end of the world, but being at the end of the world does have its advantages, right? So this is kind of cool. It's okay, it's at the end of the... Let me put this in Discord. I think I forgot to put this in Discord. Oh my God. How can I be like this? I'll put it in Discord, right? Have we lost all our money? Are we going insane? So I'm going to do a show tonight in English. There's going to be another one on Wednesday in Bahasa. This thing is so bad. I gotta do it in 2 languages, guys. I gotta do it in 2 languages behind this. Sakura, what am I talking about? Come in. Come in. I got a lot of links here, right? I'm gonna shill a lot of links here. I feel I need to shill these links to you. Let's see here. Oh, cool. Come in. It's not a great night, but it's live and you gotta understand this live, guys. And LFG, guys. LFG, let's see this. Ooh, losing all our money on Luna, man. This is crazy, guys. Losing all the money last week. I mean, it was like the perfect storm. Luna et al. It's like the perfect storm last week. Like, it was just, I've never seen a carnage like that in crypto ever. I've been in this space since 2017. I just did not, I never saw this. Crazy. I have good music, right? You guys like my music? Come in here. How come it doesn't allow me to chat? I don't know why it doesn't allow me to chat. Oh God, it doesn't allow me to chat. Is that like insane? Come in, guys. Chat something here. I cannot see what is the chat. Like pop. What is this? Okay, there it is. I can see now. I have to pop up the chat to see it. Hey, yeah. Come here, guys. I mean, guys, seriously, this is just crazy. What has happened last week is just insane. It goes even beyond insane because I've been in crypto for quite some time. I thought I saw it all, but apparently not. I have never seen a nuke so fast in my entire life. I mean, if you want to know what a crash is all about, you take last week and you kind of spread it over 6-7 months. That was what I'm used to, but I'm not used to whatever happened last week. Okay, it's really shocking, and now I'm just quite disappointed that after this, there's so many experts. That so many people have become crypto experts, which is going to make the matters worse, okay? This is not the way to go, man. This is not the way to go for all those crypto experts that are not crypto experts. Suddenly being crypto experts and saying the wrong thing. I'll show you some example, okay? I am going to show you something. You're going to see a lot of things because not only did the crypto markets nuke, it had happened before in equities, right? There were a lot of warning signs, but we thought the crypto market could right, stand it. Wasn't true. Hey, I want my song, guys. Where's my song? Give me my Sakura Flower song. We all thought it could withstand it, but no, it just nuked along with it eventually. So just remember that lesson. It's just that everything was going down, not anybody's fault. Okay, let me get these things ready first. It's crazy, man. Total nutcase. There's a total nutcase here. Cool, guys, cool. Get this one done too. Total nutcase of the situation, and we'll look at it. Okay, we'll look at this nutcase of the situation. But the good news is, as those who in the MetaMoon private group know, it is opportunistic time to take some opportunities here from this massive drawdown. Okay, so who's that? Somebody's calling me. Somebody, I don't have Luna. I do not have Luna. I cannot give you advice on Luna, okay? So people must stop calling me on advice from Luna because I don't know, guys. I just avoid the problem from happening, okay? I just don't go into all these things because it's not the right place in the cycle to do it. That's all I'm saying. That's all I am saying. I think, okay? Ooh, I love this song. So what else? Okay, I see me here. Cool. But I don't see my link here. One moment. What is here? Let me adjust this. One moment, and then we can start. Okay, no wonder I got the link wrong. I really got the link wrong. Really. Silly me. That's the island. I better not play this. I better not play this, guys, because YouTube might just strike me. YouTube might strike me out, strike this video, and end my career as a budding YouTuber. Okay. Let's see this. One moment. Let me get clear of this. Where is my thing here? Yeah. Can I go here? Where do we go here? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I think we're ready. Okay. Hey, how are you guys? How's everyone here? Of course, my silly YouTube here is making problems again, but that's okay. We do not have time to look after YouTube problems because we have other bigger problems to solve. So it was such a, how do you say it? A telling week, okay? A defining week for crypto. It's just like when things got worse and worse and worse. So this is what I tell you, that crypto is a very dangerous instrument. But if you can plan at the right time, you get in at the right time, you're going to make a lot of money. That's how it has always been. Just know that what you are in now is a very, very risky situation. And that's when I say, that's what I say, right? This is what I say: to recover. It's all about collaboration. And funnily enough, last week, 2 people called me about MetaMoon. Guys, I don't have any more capacity in MetaMoon, okay? I really don't. I seriously don't, you know? I might have because things are going down, and I know your thing, right? You guys want to buy things at the low end and you cannot do it alone. I understood. I told you guys already, right? But I don't. Just ask me in June, okay? Maybe I have some capacity. We really don't, okay? To recover, it's all about collaboration, because if not, you just cannot do it. There's no way you can do it. Just is no way. And we see some things falling down to attractive levels. Because if you are collaborating, you kind of, the market is going down, so you kind of spread your risk across many people like that. And then when it goes up, you enjoy the upside. That's all we're saying. It seems like after it crashed last week, Dennis, many people understood this. I'm quite impressed that a lot of people who didn't join our group are now, the IQ goes up. Hey, congratulations, guys. The IQ goes up. The IQ goes up once the market crashes. So now you guys know why MetaMoon was created. It's like before this, like, oh, what are you doing, dude? Okay, now you guys understand, right? So that's why we created this, right? So anyway, let's go through what happened. Just insane. I mean, the insanity of people, I think, just shows you that we have probably, we are near the bottom. If we're not at the bottom, we are near the bottom, because what has happened is totally insane. I'm not talking about the charts. I mean, the charts are the charts. I don't care about the charts. I'm talking about people's psychology. So if you have been an investor for a long time, you know that it's all about people's psychology, right? Once the psychology goes another way and people have given up, which means capitulation, then you know that maybe it's going to come back up. That's all I can say. Okay, so let's go here, and I'm going to change the screen, and I am just going to go to our favorite chart of, let's see, of the Bitcoin. See, we don't even have to look at the Bitcoin chart. So don't look at the Bitcoin charts, right? Look at the fear and greed index. Let's go and see that. Fear and greed index. I'm going to change the screen now. Okay, time to see the Bitcoin fear and greed index. Where is it now? It is like, okay, it is like, I don't even want to go there. Okay, here. Where are we now? Fear and greed index, Bitcoin. So got to look at this, okay? And then we'll look at, we're not going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin the last. That doesn't matter. So let's go here. No, I don't want this fear and greed index. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I want to look at this Bitcoin sentiment, okay? Let's see where this is taking us, guys. Let's see. Hey, happy days, guys. Happy days, guys. So let's look at this. This is more important when you see this crypto fear and greed. Look here. It is extreme fear. Last week it was 18, and now it's 10. Extreme. Last month it has been extreme fear for the last 1 month. So what does this show you? Fear can last for a long time. The markets are fearful. They go up and then they get smashed down to fearful again. Just like, what do you call it? Greed can last for a long time too. Okay, so let's look at 1 year. What has been happening? Look at that. Look at that. But we are at a point where we kind of turn back. However, let me remind you from this period to this period that this actually kind of took a long time to resolve itself, right? Look at this, just reminding, went up, went down, went up, went down. So just be careful of 30 around that, right? Because guys, people lost a lot of money in Luna. And it's not about losing money. I think crypto people are experienced enough to know that losing money is the name of the game also, but they lost money unexpectedly. They did not expect to lose. It was a surprise the way that thing went down. Because when you talk about Luna, you talk about Mike Novogratz, right? The guy in the Bitcoin song, right? Mark Novogratz, you talk about Don Juan. These are not your scammers in Luna. And yet people are calling other people scammers. I am ashamed. I'm ashamed of all these newbies. And this is the problem, right? The problem is that since late last year, and I saw this and I said, a lot of newbies were coming into crypto. There were a lot of new gurus, right? New gurus coming in, saying this, saying that. And suddenly they become the crypto experts. And now they're even more gurus. Now I call them the bear gurus, okay? So gurus come and go. Sensei is always there. That's just what I was trying to tell you. So we are at a point where we go up. I think this is due to go up, but there's going to be a lot of rough patches, okay? And 15 today is also something called the Mercury retrograde. The Mercury retrograde is something where if it goes down, it tends to go up. If it goes up, it tends to go down. So I guess we are in an up cycle, but just remember this, that this thing can last very long. Look at this, guys. Just look at this, okay? Look at that. And then it tests down here. So at least we have a range here for the greed and fear index. And you got to also look at this. And only when you look that, what do? Do you even see the, well, okay, let's see the Bitcoin price. I just want to know the dominance, okay? Okay, 42, that's quite high, okay? Because we saw last time it was below 40, right? 38. So this is not good. Not good for alts at 42, guys. 42 is not good for alts. 3356, 2086. Tether. I got something to say about Tether, man. I mean, we were really tethering on the brink of total disaster. Really, I'm talking about Tether afterwards, okay? XRP, Cardano, well, we have been smashed through smithereens. So let's look at Ether. Look at that, 2080. Look at that fall. I'm just going to draw this like so that you guys know like if it's going to come back, where is it going to come back? Okay, you have the resistance there, right? Because this chart seems to be very, very good chart. But NASDAQ here also 12,387. Ooh, look at that. Almost here, almost here. More interested in the NASDAQ. Okay, guess, I know guess was great. It was like 11, Dennis. It was like 11 Gui. When I was transferring the airdrops there, it was like 11 Gui. Hey, no more airdrops, guys. You guys can go mint yourself for free next time you win Kahoots, okay? It is too confusing for me handling between Discord and your Discord ID and your name and your and your wallet address, man. Web 2, Web 3 integration is so difficult. Okay, so you got to look at this also because you got to respect the entire market. Okay, please respect the entire market. The problem now is, I know you guys are saying that it's going to come back up, it's going to come back up. Now, you got to remember that before this, the person who was helping us to come back up was this guy, Powell. But now Powell with Tesla is 700. I swear to God, I saw it at 1,000. Okay, that's not good. AMC is 10. My God, I saw it at 50, 60. Sorry, guys. GME, GameStop is 81. See, I'm also looking at this. I swear to God that I saw it at, well, I saw it somewhere. I saw it at 198 or something. My God. Ooh. So the thing is now, we don't have this guy wanting to print more money, right? The era of money printing is over. It's over. They're increasing interest rates. And even in Malaysia, you saw last week, right? We had a surprise increase of interest rates. That's not good because when it increased interest rate, people want to lock your money into fixed and stable things, right? Which is what I've been doing for the past 1 year or so. When I take the money out, I just locked it into some stable, not stable coins. I lock it into stable FDs. It's called an FD here, but it's actually a national trust fund. So I get my 4 and 5%. I'm glad that my 4% will now increase to I'm glad that my 4.5% is now probably going to increase to 5%. I'm so happy. I never thought I'd say that. I'm so happy by my performance of my fund, right? But hey, in these dangerous times, you kind of need something that holds you and some things that are going to last for a long time. Instead, all these things, right? Instead of having all these things that go up and down with the market, it is very, very tiring. I know. So this is what's happening now. Just remember that now you guys want a thing to go back up. I know. I just want to ask you, is Powell are the central banks of the world printing more money? I don't know. I don't think so. In fact, they're bringing back that thing. Are we in a space where we have nothing to do except buy all these assets here, except buy all these digital assets? I don't think so. We're not at that space. So if you want to go trade yourself out of this problem, I think you could be in for a very, very nasty surprise. You understand what I mean, right? You understand what I mean? It's going to take time. Like I said to the MetaMoon group, it's going to take time because that's just the way it is. We are in a new space altogether. I just want to tell you, everything has changed. And if you are going in, rebounding, which is what the rest of the Facebook group is doing, you are going to go down together with what our Facebook group are doing. But again, if you want some expert advice, you can read it on Facebook. Man, there are so many experts coming out, but the real expert is just saying that chill, okay? Chill. What we're doing is buying some at the what we think is the bottom with future potential. Okay, what else do we have here? Are they mulling inflation? Let's go read this so that you understand the big picture, right? Nowadays, as I've told you, you want to know what's going to happen in Bitcoin, you read Yahoo Finance. Why are you reading anything else? You read Cointelegraph the last, okay? Volatile session, inflation, Fed worries. Again, the Fed just wants to raise interest rates, okay? Let's see what they're doing now. Again, amid worries, dollar gains. Have you seen the DXY lately, man? You guys are so bad. Okay, guys, don't run away, guys. Don't run away. This is not a Forex class, guys. Guys, don't run away. Don't run away. Don't run away. I'm just going to look at the DXY, okay? Don't go anywhere, guys. Don't go anywhere. Let's look at the dollar index. Then, oh, the dollar index, no, it's going to do a Forex. I'm not going to do a Forex class, okay? I'm just going to look at that. Just look at that, guys. When are the risky assets going to recover when this starts going down? Can we see, like, is this a multi-month high or something like that? Let's see that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at that. When did this happen? When did this happen, guys? Look at that. It's 2016. Look at that. Another one was 2020. Yeah, this is COVID, right? When did this happen? Does anybody know? What was this? There was another risk-off event here, okay? And then it went on very well. And then it went on very well. What happened here, guys? So we know this is COVID. Ooh, what if it gets here? Man, this is nasty, guys. Look at this. Look at this, right? This is 1998. See, my God. Even in 2008, it wasn't this worse. You're talking about .com bust, dudes. My God. And look here, it made a double top, right? I just want you to look here. I just want you to look here and look here. And I don't have to tell you what happened. Does anybody know what was this? Does anybody know what was this? Well, we know this is COVID, right? Are we near the top? That's what I said. We're near, probably, but it's going to take time to heal the wounds. It's going to take time to heal the wounds. What happened here, guys? What happened here? You guys know? What happened here? Because this is an example, because the market just, after that. What happened here? So are we at the point of capitulation? Maybe. What happened here? This is very important. What happened here? There was an event here, guys. There was an event here. Who knows? Who knows? This is 2016. This is 2016. What happened then? Nope. Nope. It starts with D. It starts with D. It was a D kind of thing. Let me write it down. Trump. Remember Trump? Trump's win. Trump. You remember? Because Hillary lost, right? So it just popped up. But just bringing back. Again, past history doesn't mean anything. I'm just telling you that after Trump won, then he promised to revitalize America. Then everything went on very well, right? But again, during that time, people were quite nervous. Understand what I mean? So there's a lot of risk off. Then he decided to push the infrastructure and all that, build the infrastructure and all that. The US dollar went down and we were hunky-dory again. That's what I am telling you what has happened. So you got to look into these kind of things, that we are actually where we are at COVID, where we are at Trump. Welcome again. Welcome again to this new world. Yeah, Donald Trump. Donald Trump, Ariel, Donald Trump. Donald Trump, okay? Now, if you haven't joined our Discord yet, wait, I have to do my advertising here, right? Please join our Discord. Join our Discord. Join our Discord here. And I'm going to do another session here in Malay because a lot of people do not understand English, and that's fine. I'll do this session in Malay on Wednesday at HTTPS. Please join our Discord. We have a lot of good things happening there. discord.gg.metaran. Yeah, the Wednesday one will be halal. Oh, haha, yeah. Okay, cool. The other thing is, wait. Wait, I have to get my links ready. Okay. So the Donald caused that. Okay, guys. Now, if you guys have NFTs and you guys are in the group and you guys haven't given out your Donald Duck, that was a Donald Duck situation, right? Register your NFTs with us here, Metaran here. We have you in the database. That's cool, but sometimes we do not know who you are. Register, because we are struggling in terms of trying to make Web 2 and 3 works. Makes me look like an idiot. Okay, makes me look like a total idiot. Okay, by the way, register here. Okay, so you got to understand this first before you even talk about crypto, right? So it's not only about this. So when you see something like this, which is genuinely risk off, obviously, it is also that the stocks took a beating. I mean, you look at Tesla is now 700. I'm going to give you something here. I mean, it is just a reversal of what did well, just did not do well. You guys love this. Like what happened to Netflix, guys? Like NLFX. Like what happened to you guys? I hope they survive. I cannot live without Netflix, okay? What's the ticker for Netflix? Netflix. NFLX. Okay, look at that. Look at Netflix, guys. Look at look at that. Look at that. That's just, look at this. Okay, now I'm gonna look, guys, look at this. This was 18, 19. Okay, so look at that, right? 19, and then March went down, right? COVID, and then you guys were at home. Everyone is at home, 358 to 700. It's now at 187. For stocks, this is major, guys. This is major because for stocks, you buy bigger quantity. Like for cryptos, you buy small quantity, right? So you can afford some of this being wrecked because you're going to make a lot on the others, on the portfolio that does well, right? For stocks, this is like major catastrophe. Things that do well are reversing. Not only that, let's see Tesla. Guys like Tesla, right? Although Tesla took a long time before going down, and now I want to look at Zoom. I'm just going to tell you, you are not alone. You are not. In fact, everything, even NFTs such as Azuki, like totally jumped, totally went down. Okay, look at that. That's Tesla. Look at that. It was 1,200, gang. It was 1,200. Seriously, it was over 1,000. It had went up to 1,244, corrected down here in February 7, and then went back again, and now it's back there again. That looks like a crypto chart. That doesn't look like a stock chart at all. So all you have the balloon being, basically the balloon being popped here. Okay, I'm going to go to Zoom now. I am so going to go to Zoom video communications. Let's look at that. I'm just telling you, you guys are, oh, okay. I don't even know what's going on. I don't even know what's going on because I'm not a buyer of Zoom. What's going on? And look at that. During COVID, it went for like what? This is crazy. This is nuts. 99 to 600, 6 times, and now it's back at 94. How do you like that? No one expected that, okay? But I think we had this, we kind of had this coming for quite some time, right? So I just want, even here, it's bad. So also, how many of you are Malaysians here? Can you type Malaysia if you're from Malaysia, guys? Guys, type Malaysia if you're from Malaysia. And I mean, Malaysians, you guys totally screwed up. A lot of you screwed up. I am ashamed. I don't know how you guys can do this, but it shows that sometimes in Malaysia, we don't have enough of sophisticated investors. Type MY if you are from Malaysia, guys, here. Type MY if you are from Malaysia. Type MY if you are from Malaysia. We Malaysians, we make 2 mistakes, okay? If you are from Malaysia. Type MY, guys, if you are from Malaysia. Yes! Lexley is Malaysia. Who else is Malaysia? Jabir, I know you're from Singapore. That's cool. Jabir is from Singapore, guys. Jabir is from Singapore. Who else is from Malaysia, guys? Who else is from Malaysia? I'm going to show you the Malaysian tragedy. Don't do this again. This is the ultimate tragedy of Malaysian, okay? I don't know why we keep on doing this. Seriously, guys, this is bad. Who else is here, guys? Who else is here? I always tell you, people, be careful about if you want to speculate. And this is the problem. You guys want to speculate, you don't get inputs, guys. Who else is Malaysian, guys? Now I lost my thing. Now, oh, be global. Jabir, I thought you were Singapore, Jabir. I thought you were Singapore. Now, Malaysians, we have the benefit of making more mistakes. Dennis now wants to join the fun. Guys, Serba Dynamic is like, it fell like a rock. It felt like a total rock, okay? Like, what is that? What is that? It felt like it really gapped down from 38 to like 12, destroying so many portfolios. I don't even know what this is, guys. I have no idea what this is. It was suspended, right? And then it just fell, destroying a lot of portfolios. Now, I don't know, Malaysians, can you guys stop your gambling? We say we don't like gambling. I don't agree. We are a nation of gamblers. I hope you guys like repent after tonight. Now look at this. This is the problem, guys. You guys know that this already has a problem. Now I read a Facebook post. I am shocked. I am totally shocked at what some Malaysians are doing. Now, why I'm telling you this is that these people post on Facebook. A lot of people look up to these people. This is dangerous, guys. Can you get advice from, can you get my opinion first before you listen to these people? And you guys, I just look at this. It was here and here. This is the problem because I read their Facebook post. Thank you very much for helping me understand the Malaysian mentality. People were simply gambling here. It's like when it went down, I got to go buy so that it goes back up, right? Guys, this is gambling. This is not even trading. You see that? I mean, I don't care what you see, whether you see Wyckoff or Fibonacci, what other indicators, or RSI, right? This is stupid. You guys are gambling. Why are you guys gambling? When you know the darling has fallen, you guys literally gamble. Now, the person didn't say he was gambling, but from what I read, looking at this, trying to find a way up again, they were just gambling and lost more money because they were caught out when the thing was suddenly suspended, right? You couldn't get out. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to tell you something that's very important for tonight. Lucky for you, you came because this is a special gift for Malaysians because we will always like to be better than the rest of Southeast Asia. We now know. Now, getting caught in here when you, okay, you get caught, right? The thing is suspended. You cannot do anything with your shares. That's one thing. That's one thing, okay? I understand that if you get that, it's like force majeure. You should be forgiven. But the point is that before you do that, you went in totally gamble here. That is not acceptable at all. I mean, it's okay if you get in here and then there is a result and the share is suspended. That's okay. That's cool because you kind of know that will happen, right? But when you are gamble in here and then suddenly find the party's over because the authorities suddenly ban the trading of shares, guess what? You were just gambling, guys. You're not trading. I don't care what indicators you saw. You were not trading because you saw the problems here. Understand that, right? Because I don't want you guys saying, we don't gamble, guys. We don't gamble. Okay, don't gamble. That is not good. Let me take this out of the thing here. Clear here. Okay, clear all drawings here. So that is just pure gambling. And when you have a nation of gamblers, that's what you get. And I just cannot believe this because I do not know how, okay? Because for Malaysians, it's like we want fast money. Cannot do that, guys. cannot do that. Let's go to Twitter here. I just can't believe it. Not this yet. I mean, a lot of people lost money on Luna. Like, guys, what is happening? A lot of, let's go to Twitter here. Let's go to Twitter. A lot of people lost their 10K EPF on Luna. No, Luna. What am I saying? Luna. How can you do that? How can you bring out your 10K EPF? You know, because if you guys don't know, you guys from other countries, we were allowed to bring out our retirement money. Next week, you see, this is what you guys, you guys, what do you guys do, guys? You guys go what? You guys go what? Hey, this is from our good friend Jet Bahari. Okay, what do you guys do? You guys go and gamble EPF money. I'm going to put more money in EPF. Oh my God, guys. Why in the world did you do that? Now let's see. EPF Luna. This is scary. This is scary. This is scary. I think Yeezy already showed this, right? Withdraw EPF going to London is better than withdraw EPF all in Luna. This is what people did. People actually, you bet 10,000 Luna, you have $2. So 10,000 of their hard-earned money for retirement into Luna. What in the world were you guys thinking? Like, look, in which they minted, okay, look at this. Luna will never reach ATH again because they're just printing more and more Luna, right? People are saying, hey, if Luna goes back to $1, I will become a millionaire, right? But for Luna to go back in $1, do you know what? Luna will be worth 7 trillion. Is it logical that Luna is worth 7 trillion, guys? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And what does this guy say? That's not going to happen, guys. This ain't going to happen to Luna. And now people are still playing with Luna, right? Malaysians, hey. RIP for those invest using their EPF 10K. What does this guy say? NASDAQ. Yes, guys, look at NASDAQ first. Don't bother looking at the Bitcoin chart first, okay? I can't even believe it. Luna, I don't know what this is all about. See, what does he say? I read somewhere EPF money all in Luna. Oh my God. And I can tell you this is a culture, right? Because what happens when I post something, you know, it's so funny when I post something that I'm going to go into this IPO, right? People say all in, all in. And look at this. The culture becomes reality. It is sick, guys. It is totally sick. Can you guys repent tonight? Can you guys repent tonight? Okay. This is like totally crazy, okay? Lost money on Luna. Let's go. What is it? Lost money, Luna. I don't even know what's happening. People, is there suicide for Luna? People lost millions on Luna, guys. People are just going into suicide. And I'm just going to show you something that really should not have happened. Suicide on Luna. This is the ugly side, right? I'm feeling sick. Thoughts of suicide online. You can always make more money. This is not worth taking your life over. Yes, you got to have some sympathy. People are just now, man, really contemplating suicide, attempted suicide. Oh my God. Move all his savings to crypto in 2021 and Luna was, oh my God. Oh boy. I don't know why you did not diversify. Again, this is basic things. Diversification. Suicide hotline. This doesn't feel right. Okay, this is like total craziness. Oh my God. I just a second. It's just crazy, guys. People are going totally crazy. Do not ever invest in anything more than you can lose. Right. There's a way to invest in crypto. Even she doesn't say it right. Okay. She doesn't say it right. And that's why we are doing different things on Crypto Moon, right? This is totally crazy. Cannot pay the bank. Oh, look at that. I lost over this is stocks. Is this stocks? No, this is about stocks. This is different. This is different. That's why I said everything is going down. Okay, everything. Not trying to make you feel better. I'm just going to show you the facts here. That you guys have to understand that everything is going down. This is not about this, right? This is not about Luna. This is about this lady is this stocks? I don't know. There's another one that lost. That lost also this amount, but this was in stock, so you lose both. Maybe this was Luna, right? No, this is totally insane. This is totally insane. I think we need to kind of reach out to these people. Okay, trying to reach out to these people. Now, Jabir has a hotline. Jabir has a hotline. If you guys missed my class and didn't enter my class when it was very cheap, you can call Jabir, okay? He charges you like $5 a minute. Do you? You charge like $5 per tier. $5 per tier. That is, yeah, guys, I know. You should you have to put it somewhere right now. I want to show you something. Oh my God, 8. Are you serious? Yeah, I know that people said 8 confirmed suicide. Why crash? Truth and Reason complain. Wow, 22 people. Are you like crazy? Now this is not true. It's not a Ponzi. It's not, and pays for it. This is wrong. I'm going to show you why, okay? Let me show you why. Let me show you. You lose all your money. You just have missed out on what is life, okay? Now, this, I think, is quite cruel. Now, here's the thing, okay? This is Joe Wu. We may not have time to go to Joe Wu, okay? I know you guys want to know more about mechanics of Luna. I'll describe it in Malay on Wednesday, okay? You guys in English, you guys read this post, okay? Come on, guys. You guys are posted. You guys English guys can. Okay, you guys English, can you read this? I'm going to put in the thing. For Malays, they may not understand Malays. I understand it. You guys don't understand Malays, okay? You guys don't understand Malay. Okay, that's fine. You guys don't understand Malays. I'm going to explain to you guys on Wednesday in Malay. Otherwise, you English, just go and read this. Yeah, just go and read this, okay? Yeah, this algorithmic stable coin here, okay? For the Malays, I'll explain to you on Wednesday, okay? I'm just going to put it here. This is mechanics of Luna because they just have to print out more Luna and it's bad because there's hyperinflation and all that. This is what hyperinflation because of to defend this peg, okay? Now, let's go to this. This is quite sad. Okay, here's the thing. So this is in Singapore, guys. This is in Singapore. This is quite sad. Look at what's happening here, okay? Look at what's happening. Yeah, it was an attack. Look at it here. Luna, yeah, UST pegged to 1, but dropped to 0 because the poor scam, the Ponzi scam. Again, this is not a Ponzi scam. Worthless overnight. It's not a Ponzi scam. It's like when Citibank went down to $2-3, right? Was that a Ponzi? Can you say Citibank is a Ponzi? When was it that Bear Stearns collapsed in 2008? Is Bear Stearns a Ponzi? I don't think so. I don't think so. So he wrote a police report. He wants Do Kwon to be basically pay for this. Like why, dude? Look at this. Police report has been filed on the behalf of Luna Invest. Look at the answers here. This is not going to do anything. It's not a scam on a rug pull. It was an attack. Just how Bear Stearns lost that thing. Just how the bet on all this silly, what do you say? In 2008, what was on all this housing thing, right? On all this housing thing, subprime housing things where they put into CFD. I don't know what you call it, man. I forgot all about it. Collateralized debt of obligation or something. They just lost the bet. So that's it. Okay. No one can predict the future for Crypto, and the thing can go on when they got onto Luna. So it is not a rug pull. But yeah, for CZ Binance also, maybe the forking won't work. Maybe it's not going to work for Luna. That's why they have delisted Luna. I don't know whether it's coming on. Ahmad is good. Was this me? No, it's not me. Come on, man. It's your choice to buy Luna. It was not a scam when many of you bought at $1 and sold at 90, right? Because I also saw on Facebook that Luna was like their biggest gain, right? Come on, guys. That is not true. Yeah, CDO. Thanks, Big Global. CDO. This is not true. I'll give 2,000 Luna to each person. Oh boy. So it's not a scam. It is a black swan. Something that was not supposed to happen just happened. Yes, in retrospect, in hindsight, but we're always 100% correct on hindsight, right? Yes, maybe the design of the UST peg versus Luna could have been done more better. Maybe they could have simulated this, but also tells you that even if someone as smart as Mark Novogratz is there, I don't know if he's still there, that you cannot foresee everything. And that's why we have black swans. Who foresaw the black swan of 2008, guys? Seriously. Seriously, it started with Countrywide Financial. And now you're going to go like, what? Who's Countrywide Financial? Yeah, right. You don't see, okay? It starts from something small here. And then it just explodes. And then it explodes some more. And then everything goes back to normal again because of the what? Because of the thing in finance, which we have reversion to the mean. But even in Countrywide Financial, it started in Countrywide Financial, and then it went to affect the other in Wall Street, right? It didn't start with the investment banks, guys. It started with Countrywide Financial. You can go and read it on the internet. So it just leads to something that triggers something that triggers something else. We hope, again, I'm not supporting Yellen on this, but I kind of like it when I see this. Where is this? Can I see this? Not here, not that. I like it when I see this. Okay, tighter stablecoin regulation. Yellen says stablecoin not real threat to financial stability. Okay, real stablecoins need to be tethered by real world rules. I like that. I like that. Maybe we need stablecoin regulation here. Maybe it's a big trick by the government of the US to get the regulations in, because now people, the crypto people who have been so against regulation, okay, we want this regulation. The other thing is this, did Tether break its peg? I saw a chart that I saw it on CoinGecko. It went down to what, guys? It went down to this, right? It kind of went down to 98, right? But I saw a chart where it went down to 90. I didn't see that. I'm glad I didn't see that. I hope I was asleep, because if I was not asleep, I would be pissing in my pants. That is like the end of the world, guys. I mean, seriously, if that, okay, it did. It did. Guys, look at that, look at that, look at that. I think because of Luna, there was also a lot of panic, right? Look at that. Look at that. I don't know for how many, yeah, 93 cents, yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is like crazy, crazy. Now, did it ever do this? Yes. Now, don't be surprised. It did this in 2019. Now, let's go here. Can we see monthly? Oh, boy. You guys didn't see that, right? Doesn't have it here. Let's go USDT. Let's see it on Coinbase. You guys didn't see it, right? It already had done this before. No. It already had done this before in 2019, you know. USDT, USD, let's see this. Bitstamp, do you have on Bitrex? Okay, when did it go down? Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, here. You see that? 86. Do you see that? Don't tell me it went there. There's something wrong there. Okay, do you see that? I mean, just look at this, 86 cents. Now, I'm going to tell you something here. What happened here? What happened to Bitcoin here? So it's good that, yeah, this is the only time I have to actually praise Tether again. What happened to Bitcoin here? Who knows? I was here, you know, I was actually here. What happened to BTC here? I kind of got blown out on my on my last leveraged BTC account. I was leveraging on Deribit. Deribit, if you guys know, right? What happened to BTC here? I just thought I got totally blown out. I got blown out. That account really got. I was liquidated on that account, guys. I lost a lot of money here. Who knows, guys? What happened to BTC there? What happened to BTC here, guys? When this happened? When this happened? What happened to BTC here? Okay, Jeb Bahari says the big short. What happened here, guys? I got blown out of the water, by the way. Yeah, the big short. No, yeah, correct. B Global is correct. The thing went up. That's why I got blown away. I was so into shorting, and I was shorting, and I was shorting, and everything went like so good. And then suddenly this happened, and I say, yeah, this is gonna crash. And I saw my account and say, hey, Deribit, is something wrong with my account? Like, I'm saying like, hey, Deribit is a scam. And that time I was like, Deribit is a scam. Deribit must be a scam. Blow me out. And then I see the chart. by God, BTC just shoots up. Okay, so this is also kind of weird because there's so many things against BTC, right? So to compensate for the price in BTC, BTC just shot up and blew me out of the water. And I just got blown out of that account, and then I learned my lesson. And there I was, guys. I was shorting. I was shorting in a bear market, and I got blown out of the water. The lesson here is when you make good profits in a bear market, you should just get out and wait for the next leg down or whatever it is and keep your capital, okay? Don't be so confident wanting to ride it out all the way down, because bear market rallies are violent. They just go up like nobody's business. Just telling you that, okay? So be careful there. So we are glad. I have to really praise. I have to really praise Tether here. Let's see what they said here. Not that. Paulo Ordiano is from Tether, CTO, Bitfinex, and Tether. Okay, good. GM, he's very happy. Yeah, so good. They have redeemed USDT from Tether today. Process went smoothly. What's here? Terra is gone, and an asteroid is heading, bigger than Empire State Building, is heading towards Earth. Okay. I don't know what this is going to hit, but okay, never mind. Let's go there. Okay, so they're still alive. This is cool. Shows that they're still alive. And they actually managed to, those who wanted to get out, yeah, they actually do it, okay? USDT is at 50, really serious, bulls need bullets, okay? 30K added on Bitfinex, okay? What is happening here? What is happening here? Which the thing, discuss the current developments. So the thing is this, cuts holdings of commercial paper, never mind about that. They basically, when people wanted to get out, they basically managed to handle that thing, okay? After stablecoin regains its dollar peg. So that's good. So this is good because Tether, what was Luna's market cap? Was Luna market cap 15 billion or something? Was it? Can somebody check Luna's market cap before? Maybe you don't have it. So Luna's market cap was at 15 billion, but Tether's at 80, right? This is so not cool. If Tether gets blown out of the water, it will be serious repercussions. Opening EST, redeem at, yeah, so they said that there was a mistake when it went down. Okay, so it has recovered. That's cool. You are, when you want to create it, you send in dollars. When you want to redeem it, you are sent dollars. That's kind of true, right? So it's good that Tether, what was it, 300 million? I don't know. But it's nice, the existence and efficacy of USDT's redemption mechanism. Alameda did a ton of them. So this is cool. This is from Alameda, Sam Beckman-Fried. The fact that this big trader was able to redeem USDT is cool. It's cool. BTC USD longs are skyrocketing on Bitfinex. Well, that's good. So thank you very much to Tether. Thank you very much to USDT. I think they redemptions open, don't be dumb. They did more than anybody else to kind of give faith back into the crypto market, because if they could not redeem, we will all be in big trouble. Now, this, despite that people are saying, you know, they had problems with the New York attorney, right? New York State attorney, Letitia James and all that. I don't know what happened. I think they've already settled. So I don't know whether they're backed or not. People are still like, okay, are they for real? But anyway, they show that they are able to handle the redemptions, okay? People demanded 300 million of USDT to be converted to USD, and it was done for the day. That is important. Let's listen to what this guy is saying here, because this shows you that
to be
the market
like
is still alive.
300% backed by solid assets, I think that if you want to do an algorithmic stablecoin, for example, it has to be like 300% backed by solid assets, like solid crypto assets, right? So not like 105 or 110% or even less, right? So we have seen cases where the stable coins have been
1-for-1, and it's backed by volatile assets. Great. Yeah.
Yes. So that does not make sense. So if you want to do an algorithmic stable coin, that had to be insanely backed, multiple 100% backed. And of course, is not many stablecoin issuers, algorithmic stablecoin issuers will like this idea, because of course, if you are 300% back, 400% back, then you will grow really slowly, right? With the 30 billion assets you get.
Okay, so that's it. It's just simple. You have to be backed by a real asset, right? So this is like crazy. Now, another one that if you guys forgotten, right? Let's go and look at algorithmic stablecoin again. I think you guys forgot about this, or maybe it wasn't big enough, but there was always problem with algorithmic stablecoins. Look at that, Mark Cuban and Titan. Was it? Was Titan, right? It's titanium coin or Titan? Yeah, losing 200,000, hit by a DeFi rug pull. Again, this is another one. This is another one here. Algorithmic. I don't like it. I just don't like algorithm thing. It shows you the tenet of investing. Don't invest in something you do not know. Okay, but of course we didn't know. This happened a long time ago in the crypto world. This kind of happened a long time ago, right? But the basic tenets of investing are still there. Please do not forget it. Now, so we saw on Luna, so the thing is, we saw on Netflix, we saw on Serba Dynamic, we saw on Luna, and just to complete this thing, we also have to see something on NFT. Oh my God, we have to see, it's not going to be complete if we don't have a hemorrhaging on NFT. Now, this will change things also. I think that the mid-range NFTs are going to be in big trouble, okay? Because I think now there's going to be something that's called a flight to quality. You got to be holding quality for the long term. Okay, guys, let's see this. So yeah, I just want to say Azuki now. So Azuki went from, it was once at 32, was resting at 27, and then it just went down to 7? Really? 7, right? 7. Let's see what's happening on NFTs. Having said that, the blue chip NFTs, not all NFTs, the blue chip NFTs have been holding okay. Yes, we have problem. Oh my God! What has happened here? I saw this at 4.5 and then 3.8. Are you kidding me? Is it now like at 2.5? PXN? CFG is at 3? What is happening? Where is Yeezy? This one didn't go up. Are you serious? CPG is good. Look at that, 14.3. So the Azuki founder comes out and said that they had failed the project before. They had failed the project. People said it was a rug pull. I already told you guys, is it a rug pull? There's a difference, okay? Is it a rug pull or an admission of failure? Because if it's a rug pull, people won't trust him anymore and the project is gone. But if it is an admission of failure, it is hard to tell. I don't know, guys, of failure that they have failed before, but they have come good on this, that the floor would go up. I think at that time we had the discussion, this was like 7, right? Now it's 14.3. But again, from 27, that looks very far. We just had to do this, right? But I am quite, and beans were like 1 or less than 1. It's now at 1.98 because these are related, okay? I thought Azuki was one of the guys that were doing something that was totally innovative, and yeah. And I don't know about the rug pull, this guy named Vagabond and all that. So right, yeah. So the thing is not that. Like Dennis said, right, Wilder World is going really, really well. See, quality. Can you repeat after me? Quality. The mid-range NFTs, I think, are going to tank. Just seriously, guys. So you're going to be left with the top ones, which are going to be integrated into businesses. Okay, like I said, right? Like you can sell a watch, a very expensive watch, but the other thing that will come with the watch, and I'm sure this will happen, will come as a companion to the watch is an NFT of a watch. Okay, so things like that I think will happen. You see it fashion already, right? That the Dolce and Gabbana people are going to get Dolce Gabbana wearables, real life wearables, okay? IRL wearables. Clona is going to get IRL things that's not going to be available. So remind me to set up my Shopee storefront. My Shopee storefront is going to have things that you cannot buy in any shop, okay? You cannot buy in any shop, okay? So again, in my Shopee storefront is this, okay? It's like going to be like, the item is going to be for $1, but the postage is going to be $1,000. Special for everyone. This is only $1, but the shipping is going to be $1,000. Even if you come and pick it up at my home, there's no storefront there. So you're still going to be charged $1,000, okay, for me to go to the post office and ship it to you guys, okay? So look at what's happening here. So this is good. So I'm using Ghost PSN. What is happening here, Easy? What is happening here? I saw PXN Ghost. Is it because of the reveal? I know this was minted at, this was very, very hot. Must be a reveal. Yeah, that's what I say. It's a reveal. That's okay. Post reveal, dump. Cool. Cool. PXN division. I was impressed in PXN, but now I'm like, guys, if you want to go into this, you got to relook at everything again because the equation has changed, okay? Things have changed from then to now. Now, the people in MetaMoon know this, okay? You really got to relook again, but let me look at this again. So I'm all for that. I'm surprised that CPG hasn't. Is this a fake CPG, Easy? Is this a fake CPG, guys? Don't tell me CPG didn't move. Why not? I'm surprised because the mint price was 3, right? Where is Yeezy? Is the mint price 3? Tell me, guys, is the mint price 3? What's the Degen 2? Well, this is going okay. What's a mouse autogen? Reptilian, a renegade? What the hell is that? I don't know. What is this? Okay, 2.97. Let's go. CPG, guys. Was the mint 3, right? BAYC. Well, yeah, it dropped more than that. Yeah, it dropped like 40 Ethereum. Not like 40 Ethereum, guys. Genesis, the girls of armament. Okay, you can look at that. Let's look at this. CPG. CPG is supposed to be like Moonbirds. It didn't go anywhere. How come it didn't go anywhere, guys? I'm quite surprised. I'm really surprised. Was there a problem with this? Who knows? Guys, was there a problem with this? I like people that when it doesn't go up like this, there's only 2 things. Because this is an NFT. Now, I know of the bear market and all the crap that's happening in the world, right? But it was supposed to go up. I mean, that, okay, I don't expect it to hit 20 Ethereum, but I was expecting this to do a 6, to be a 6 now, but it's a 3. Are you like kidding me? Easy, go into Discord and find out something is wrong. Somebody is pissed off somewhere. Again, you got to remember NFTs, the blue chip NFTs have held on very well in terms of Ethereum, okay? In terms of dollars, well, they went quite a bit, but it's not as worse as the coins, right? It's not as worse as the altcoins. I don't know, go and read what's happening, man, because if this is at 3, then it will dump some more during the reveal. I think so. But this is weird. This is weird. This is the weirdest of the weirdest things that has happened in my lifetime, you know? This is not, something is wrong. That's why I said, I'm saying that, what is this? Is this a scam? You know, I'm saying that, is this a CPG scam? I don't know, I'm surprised. I am surprised, even Yeezy is surprised. It was like, come on, man. Come on, man. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. What is CPG pop? And this is like Web3 people, right? This is Web3 people. Look at that. Look at that. Community meet you say, oh, they don't tell it now, but you guys can go and read this, okay? Because we're already late. I know you guys want to hear the description of how Luna blown up. Well, go read the English thing, okay? I have my thing on this, right? I'll tell you in Malay about it on Wednesday, okay? Just follow my social. So this didn't go up. I'm surprised. And yet you have Gen Sis. Gene Sis, like, what is this? Is this a picture of a sexy girl? And this goes up. Like what is happening? Are you serious? Like, these are like femme fatale, right? Is that did I pronounce it right, Ariel? Femme fatale. It's some French word or something, right? Is it like the femme fatale kind of thing? Oh, they haven't revealed it yet. Okay, you guys haven't revealed it yet. Like what? Like, what is that? Seriously, guys, like, what is that? I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. So you got to go into Discord on all this, okay? You got to go into Discord on all this, okay? But anyway, there is a market here, guys. Seriously, guys, there is a market that is doing very well in Malaysia. Can you tell me what it is? But it's in Malaysia. It's in Malaysia. Can you tell me what it is? Actually, the Malaysian market is not bad, you know. It's just, one of the bright spots is the Malaysian market. Of all things, the Malaysian market is not doing bad. And you know, our prime minister wants us to depeg the ringgit. I say, no, don't peg the ringgit. Please do not peg the ringgit anymore to the US dollar. Put it artificially high, because now when the dollar is appreciating against the ringgit, the exporters are getting more money and people will invest in the country. I'm telling, we're lucky he's the ex-prime minister, man, because if he's the prime minister, we're like dead, okay? We're like finished. We can go home. We can go home because we're kind of finished, okay? I cannot see this, but this is doing well. Now, there is a Malaysian market that is doing well. Can somebody type down what Malaysian market is doing extremely well? It is like, well, you're not going to make much money out of it, but you can make some reasonable money, and I'm happy of that, right? I'm happy of that because you can make some reasonable money, not good like crypto, but in these times, I mean, this kind of money is like gold. Can you type down what it is, guys? Can you type down what it is? Can you type down what it is? What Malaysian market is doing very well? Yeah, durian. Yeah, that's one. Durians are going to double. Durians are going to double. So that's an example, right? Durians are going to double. So even if the ringgit goes, yeah, look, guys, the ringgit, the ringgit went down 10% against the US dollar, but the durian went up 100%, right? So you don't care, right? You still make money, right? What Malaysian markets are doing? Yeah, the FCPO is doing well. What else? What else? So it doesn't matter, right? So in these type of things, right? If you have a durian now, you can sell it for 20 ringgit, right? But in US dollars, your income goes down 10%. So it's still like you still have 18 ringgit in terms of your dollar worth. You're still up 80%. That's cool. What else, guys? There's another market that is hot, guys. There's another market in equities that is hot, and that is the Malaysian IPO market. It is doing very, very well. I think because it is about export, right? Unless someone follows the advice of the ex-prime minister and pegs the ringgit, I think we're gone. We're just going to be so gone, okay? So this is doing very, very well. So again, I have a class on IPO. It will be in Malay for those of you who understand Malay. It is on Sunday. You can join here. It is doing very, very well. I am surprised. Yeah, I am happy for you Malaysians, guys. It is doing very. Let me put down the link here, okay? And the latest one I think will do very well also, for example, is an electronics manufacturer. And because electronic manufacturer, it exports. And again, the more the ringgit goes down here, so the class is on Sunday, right? Sunday, 22nd of May. Please register here, 22nd of May at 9:30, right? 9:30 to 4. At 9, at 9:30 to 4. 9:30 to 4, okay? So you can register here, 4 p.m. in the afternoon. One moment, yeah, register there and make sure you come. It is a free class on YouTube, but I must warn you, you will see something very significant there. Actually, we were supposed to have a class after that, right? So we will have another class, IRL class on the 4th of June, okay? Did I say 5th or 4th? Yeah, I have it on the 4th of June. But it can't be that whole one day because I have another class in the morning, but in the afternoon, we will have another class on IPO then. So some of the private things we will discuss on the 22nd. Okay, so those of you who come, please do not be please do not be so enamored by me and so impressed by what we're doing that you want to join, because you didn't join. I don't know whether I have enough capacity, but I just want to show you to the people who joined, congratulations. What we are going to do next is very, very exciting. Okay, so if you're in the IPO class, that's good. Just see on what we're doing thing. It is very, very exciting. So again, in this bull market, I just want you to know that not everything is going down. There are pockets that are still doing well. You just got to find them. Okay, you just got to find them. Again, I'm not a trader, guys. I don't like trading. I just hate trading. It is not my forte, and I just don't want to do that for a living. But again, I'm just here to show you that even in the worst of times, you can still find a good market, but you really have to do it. Okay, guys. Any more questions? You guys have any more questions? Please sign up for the IPO class. It's there. It's on the 22nd of May. It is in Malay. And yeah, what else do we have here, guys? Okay, guys, anything else? What else do we have here? Anything else, guys? Anything else? Do we have any other questions? Please ask in the thing there. Yes, we will have a Kahoot on that day also. Okay, and on the 22nd of May, I am also going to show you guys how the collaboration in IPOs happen. Okay, it is really, really cool. As I said, guys, things are hard. If you do not collaborate, it is going to be tough. I'm sorry, it's going to be tough. It is going to be very, very tough. You might not make it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you an example of how we do it. Okay, of how we do it. Okay, guys, any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Let me see. Let me see the questions there. Let me see. This comes from who? I cannot see it. This comes from, okay. Wait, let me see. I see a question here. Sensei, do you still want to marry two women despite this crash? That's a good question. That's a good question. The answer is like this. No, I want to marry only one, because marrying two, there's too many people talking, right? But I can still afford two. So the woman who marries me is really lucky, because I have just canceled my plan to marry two women. Just marry one, although I can afford two. Okay, that is the question. That is the answer to the question. Okay, guys. Anything else? It is already late. We went quite a bit far today, because I just had to describe you the entire market to make you realize this is not only a crypto type of thing. If you only know crypto, you can be hit by something you did not expect. Okay, this is an entire market kind of thing, and I think you really, really need to understand that if you are going to be successful. Having said that, do we have any other questions, guys? Now, I cannot even find the thing now. Do you have any other questions? If we don't have any other questions, guys, thank you very much for attending. Now, I don't even know how to turn this off. Shame on me. How do I turn this off? One moment, guys. Anyway, thank you very much for attending. And I still haven't found the way to turn off the Zoom. I have just too many screens up here. Too many screens up here. Okay, I'm going to see you on Wednesday, right? So on Wednesday, we're going to have the same session, but it's going to be in Malay, okay? And there I will describe to you what it's like, this, right? I'm going to describe to you, I am going to basically describe to you the lunar implosion in Malay, okay? Because I know a lot of Malays do not understand this. But you English, I already gave you the this, right? I already gave you the link. Anyway, guys, thank you for attending. Remember that starting, as I said last week, we have to look at the entire economy first before we even touch base on crypto. That is really the way to do it. If you ignore the entire economy, you are going to be in big problem. Thank you for attending. I'm going to see you on Wednesday for those that do understand Lay, but I'm going to see you guys next week at 9. And remember, next week from 9 to 9:30 to 4, we have a section on IPO. I will see you there, guys. Bye. See you.